Sometimes I used to think about whether nature affects us or not. When I experienced this by myself, I knew whatever phase of life we are passing through, whenever we step into the beauty of nature, it embraces us. Our faces show the reflection of it in the form of a sweet smile. We forget our lousy mood for a while and engrossed in wonder. People of all races and cultures agree that there is a wow factor in every corner of nature. No one can deny this surprising influence. When we leave home to see some natural attraction, the first thing that comes to our mind is that we will see the ocean, lake, river, or maybe a waterfall, which we have already seen. Nature's masterpieces are almost the same everywhere, but still look different and unique. Everyone is charming and mesmerizing in their own place. In the same way, we humans also look the same, but still we have many differences that distinguish us from each other. We are different from each other spiritually, emotionally, mentally, and logically. Perhaps we have learned this from nature because nature gives us inspiration at every step. Just as nature's work of art is very prominent, even though they are the same, we should not lose our exclusivity. Create such a revolution in yourself that motivates everyone. Do not lose your individuality and always inspire others with it.